All right. The word is, let's see, this is the 11th or 10th, July 10th, 2025. The word is they're going to finish tomorrow. They're really close. So as you can see, this ridge right here got done. That ridge across the top got done right there. All along the sides got done over here. They have a little bit of work left to do up top there. Some of these barrels that have to, you can see where they stopped doing the barrels right there. And so that section right there needs those. And they're kind of stacked up there ready to go. This ridge is done. Back out a little bit, get my shadow out of the way. Ooh, it's hard to see what I'm looking at. But I think you can see it right here. That ridge across the top, all those caps are on there. Over there as well. And then all along the garage roof. So it is like 98% complete. They just didn't quite have time to finish it today. So they will be back tomorrow. He said probably for a few hours, 2 or 3 hours. He's going to give me a beautiful drone tour of the whole roof when they're complete. So I will show that to you. I have a little bit right there by the chimney too. But Friday should be it. This is Thursday afternoon. So we'll see how it goes. And the back is complete. Thanks for watching. This is a picture of my roofing project from a neighbor's house. I thought you might find it interesting. Next, I'm going to show you a little bit of drone video of the process over about 3 weeks. And then we will move on to the final product, a drone video of that I will set to some music for you. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all very much for following along. Much appreciated. you.